TesterUp in 2025 continues to market itself as an easy way to make money online by testing apps, playing games, and completing offers. At first glance, the platform seems attractive, especially with its bold claims of paying users up to $120 or more for certain tasks. It's free to join, and users can browse a wide variety of tasks almost immediately. Many are drawn in by the promise of quick earnings and the potential to cash out via PayPal. However, the experience rarely lives up to the hype. While some tasks may pay a few cents to a couple of dollars, the majority offer very little compensation for the time and effort required. Many users discover that in order to unlock the higher paying tasks, they must complete dozens of low paying ones first. Additionally, many of the offers involve downloading games and making in-app purchases or reaching specific levels, which can take hours or even require spending money, something not made clear upfront. One of the biggest frustrations among users is the $70 minimum withdrawal threshold. It sounds achievable at first, but many report hitting a wall just before reaching that amount. Some even claim that their accounts were mysteriously suspended or their progress wasn't tracked correctly when they got close to cashing out. Others say customer support is slow to respond or unhelpful, leaving users stuck with no way to access the money they thought they earned. While there are a few success stories from users who receive payouts, these seem to be the exception rather than the rule. On review platforms like Trustpilot and SiteJabber, you'll find a mix of positive and negative feedback, with the negative reviews often mentioning wasted time, misleading tasks, and unresolved payout issues. For many, the overall effort required to earn anything substantial simply isn't worth it. In conclusion, while TesterUp isn't a complete scam, it does feel like a platform that overpromises and underdelivers. If you're looking for a legitimate and efficient way to earn money online, there are far better options out there. Unless you're extremely patient and don't mind the risk of wasting your time, it's probably best to leave it.